Hi, I'm Cindy. I teach in Honolulu.
Oh, I'm Tom. Children in Honolulu. What do you do?
I teach social studies.
Oh, okay. I teach computer science.
Oh, that's scary.
Really? How come?
I don't know how to use technology. And
But I've gone to this really good training. And they provide really educational, friendly curriculum. And the cool thing is that you become
I can never learn technology.
you can not only can you, but the students will help you too. Seriously. And think about the future. Think about all of the jobs, all of the work in the future. Tell me one job that doesn't involve tech.
I really can't think of anything.
Right. And so all of our students, they need this technology. They need to learn about computer science. It's really simple. It's fun. It's really good.